All right, so get this. We found this news snippet, and it's about Bitcoin.
Oh, okay.
But here's the thing. It's from Bangladesh, and it's in Bengali.
Oh, wow.
So that's what we're going to deep dive into today. Bitcoin's new all-time high.
Yes, good.
But through the lens of this Bengali news.
Interesting.
Yeah, because like, why is this news popping up in Bengali halfway across the world?
Yeah, that's a great question.
Like, what does that mean?
It really speaks to Bitcoin becoming more global, reaching beyond like its traditional hubs.
Exactly.
And, obviously Bitcoin hit a new all-time high recently.
He did.
Above $76,500, which is
Huge.
Yeah, it's a big deal, and it suggests that this whole institutional adoption thing,
Right.
with big companies and even some governments now investing in Bitcoin,
Yeah.
it's having a real impact.
It's like Bitcoin's finally like
Yeah,
graduating from the fringes of finance to the main stage.
totally.
So besides like that institutional interest, what are some of the other forces driving this surge?
Well, I think mainstream acceptance is growing, for sure.
Okay.
More and more people are getting comfortable with the whole idea of digital currencies,
Yeah.
and they're starting to see Bitcoin as like a potential hedge against inflation,
It's been
especially in places with like economic uncertainty.
right. And that kind of ties back into this whole Bengali news thing.
Exactly.
It's like, are emerging markets starting to look at Bitcoin as a way to like diversify their investments and deal
For
with
sure.
these
And,
volatile
it makes you
economic
think about
landscapes?
what this could mean for Bitcoin's future. Will we see more countries,
Yeah.
like particularly in the developing world,
Mhm.
start to adopt or even regulate Bitcoin? Could this lead to new
That's a good
financial
question.
innovation that are specifically designed for those markets?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because like right now,
Yeah.
a lot of
Yeah.
the like crypto innovation is
The
happening
West,
in like
yeah. So it'll be
the
interesting to see
developed
how that
world.
shifts.
So it's like really interesting to think about. And I think it's important to remember that,
For
Bitcoin's
sure.
price is just one data point. But it sparks all these like bigger questions
Absolutely.
about finance and technology
Totally,
and even
yeah.
like global power dynamic, So if this Bengali news is any indication, where will Bitcoin pop up next?
Yeah,
And
great
what will
question.
that tell us about its future?